Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 611 model. So this is the Professional Series, Pet Series. It has everything here that it comes with. So it comes with a brand new battery installed. And like I said, this is the Professional Pet Series model. So pretty close to the 700 series. I'll show you quickly what I got here. So first of all, I got two virtual wall lighthouses here. They're lighthouses and virtual walls. They do require two C-size batteries each, and they're in great shape. Alright, got the high capacity bin, perfect for the people who have pets, so it just picks up the pet hair really easier. Got a power adapter, charger. This is the 120 volt adapter. Got a docking station. It's in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. Also, we got some extra parts here. Our extra accessories. We got two brand new filters. So two brand new filters, a brand new side brush, a brand new tool, cleaning tool for cleaning brushes, and a used set of brushes, extra set of brushes. And they do come with the little end caps here. So this is the extra set of brushes. You know, while one's there, you can clean the other ones and let the Roomba keep working. Alright, here's the Roomba itself. Like I said, it's used Roomba, it's not brand new. So it has a little bit of scuffs here and there. Right there you can see. On the bumper area, you can see a little more of just from normal use, where it went underneath some furniture. But it's in great shape. So it has the bumper softener here. So this is the 611 model, Professional Series. So it does have a has a newer software in there with iAdapt, so it guides itself better, and if there are any errors, they'll talk to you. So first of all, we got the side brush, which is in great shape. Got the front wheel, still in good condition here. There's a model number. I'm gonna remove the dustbin here in a second. So here's the dustbin, the vacuum bin. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. And here's the serial number in case anybody interested in. Here's the brushes. Nice and clean. And the gears on this clean head module also have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. And so like I said, I got a brand new battery here, and I'll show you guys that it works. And I'll do a straight run, that way you guys see that the bumper sensors work correctly. And there you guys have it. Works great. If you have any questions, please let me know. Happy bidding.